What's up, discoverers and wanderers? We are back for part 2 of our Vegas adventure. In our previous video, we shared our road trip from LA to Vegas, and also a short walking tour along Las Vegas Strip. Today, we are taking you to the other side of Vegas, the Fremont Street in downtown Las Vegas. Like Las Vegas Strip, marami ring mga malalaking hotels and casinos dito. But personally, mas gusto namin yung vibe ng Fremont. And let us show you why. First, we love vintage. And Fremont Street gives the vintage vibe, where you'll feel like you're in the old Vegas that you only see in the movies. Second, it's less than a mile long, so it's more walkable than the Strip, which is more than 4 miles long, so it's not that overwhelming. It also means concentrated lang yung crowds, pero they are mostly friendly tourists and locals. Third reason would be the cool shops and various street performances in the area. Maraming mga unique finds dito and interesting performances gaya nito.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG.
Another thing that we love are the huge interactive installations, like the giant weighing scale of Heart Attack Grill. Everyone is free to use it, and you get to eat for free if you weigh over 350 pounds. Tara, subukan nga natin, wanderers! Nako, mukhang kulang pa sa kain si Nico. You also can't miss Slotzilla, an 11-story slot machine-inspired zipline. And it runs above Fremont Street. Ang cool, no? And the fifth reason why we love Fremont, the overall Fremont Street experience feels so real and authentic, unlike sa Strip that could feel a little bit manufactured at times. Aside from the free concerts, everyone here just seems to be happy. We stayed nga pala in the Golden Nugget Hotel and Casino, which is right in the middle of Fremont. It is also home to the world's largest golden nugget called the Hand of Fate. This nugget weighs approximately 61 pounds. Wow! Dinner muna tayo, wanderers!
The next day.
Sa morning, masarap maglakad-lakad dito sa Fremont Street. Konti lang yung mga tao kasi tulog pa yung mga karamihan sa kanila. Picture-picture muna tayo! Ibang-iba din yung vibe dito sa umaga. Syempre, picture pa ulit!
Much later.
And before leaving Vegas, brunch muna tayo, Wanderers. Dahil mahaba-haba yung biyahe natin pabalik ng LA. Ubusin na natin yung tinda ni Manang. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang dim sum. Soup. Rice. At kung ano-anong ulam.
One hour later.
Tara, let's head back to LA na, Wanderers! Syempre, may stopover ulit tayo. And we are here in the Seven Magic Mountains. It is an art installation at the far southern end of Las Vegas Boulevard. It's also one of the largest land-based installations in the United States and attracts hundreds of thousands of visitors annually. Tara, bilangin nga natin kung 7 nga sila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mukhang tama naman. 7 Magic Mountain! Isa pa nga, Wanderers, dun sa mas malapit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 mountains nga talaga sila. Pa-picture muna tayo! And syempre, we'll also take pictures of other tourists. Si Nico naman daw gagawa ng pang-8 na mountain. Nasa gitna pala ng desert tong Magic Mountains. So naglakad-lakad muna kami at nag-stretching before our long drive back to LA. May mga food trucks din pala dito in case you get hungry or thirsty. Drive na ulit tayo, Wanderers! Along the way pala, makikita nyo rin yung world's tallest thermometer. It stands 134 feet and can measure a maximum temperature of 134 degrees Fahrenheit.
Much later.
Finally, we're back here in LA! And before we call it a day, drive-thru muna tayo sa In-N-Out.
And one regular fries.
One regular fries.
Was for the card today? It's a box with an open lid.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So I have 4 double doubles, grilled onion. I have 1 fry, 1 cheeseburger, 1 animal.
We ordered some double doubles and of course our favorite animal fries. Kain na tayo! Ang sarap ng burger, Wanderers, and we love the animal fries. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. At kung nag-enjoy kayo, please do subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up and hit that bell for more of our adventures and misadventures as we discover and wander around Vegas. Bye! See you on our next adventure!